WRM News with Jessica Spinney. Today we are going to interview Caroll Spinney.
Hello. Nice to be here.
It wasn't your traditional family upbringing. You know, I didn't see him for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Today we are going to ask him about his career playing Sesame Street.
He'd be gone, traveling a lot.
I only saw him on the weekends, so thought about him all week, you know? Finally get here and hang out with Dad.
We generally saw our children at least every other week. Once in a while, it'd have to be 3 weeks because of a job or something.
During the week, I could watch Sesame Street twice a day, and there's Dad, you know? And when you miss him, turn on the TV, and, you know, you close your eyes, and Big Bird sounds just like Dad.
Oh, Snuffy. Where are you?
But when they came for the weekend, it was nothing but us and them.
But no, I had more I wanted to say. But we wanted to talk, but then Sesame Street. Well, no, my hobby's a toy. But I say, help, I wanted
I can't remember a bad time with him.
He was hysterical. We did a lot of stuff together.
He's an amazing person. He could do anything, you know? He was always fun, always funny, always doing something for you.
I think he had a very strict upbringing, and he vowed he wasn't going to be like that.
Whenever he talked about his father, it was always about the past, because it was really traumatic. I had such a great relationship with my dad that I couldn't imagine not loving your dad. And so we talked about it a lot, and I said, that's not the way it is anymore. Your father isn't that man. And so I think Caroll started to let it go.
It was a crystal clear, gorgeous day in Los Angeles, which almost never happens. I've never seen it happen before.
And once he did that, then he learned to love him again.
Well, we'll see you soon. Love you.
And when he was getting very old, in his late 80s, I said, you're a wonderful dad. You've always been a wonderful dad to me. He says, son, I think you have a very poor memory. And I think that was a real apology, you know.
You're the biggest chicken I've ever seen.
Oh, I'm not a chicken, actually. I'm a bird on the run.